Hey, what's up guys? I figured I would make a quick video to just kind of demo the Backpage poster that I'm going to be giving those who join me in any of my business ventures, whether it be MCA or posting ads for cash or GVO, anything. It's going to make sure you get targeted traffic driven to your website and get you sales quick. So go ahead and open this up. Okay, now the first thing that I'm going to do is go to Backpage, and let's just say I'm going to choose Georgia, and we'll choose Atlanta, and we'll go to the BizOps section and click post an ad, and we'll click Atlanta again, and I'm gonna grab this URL up here, and let's see, Notepad. Let me go ahead and open a new one. I'm gonna paste that. Now this is the original posting URL, and the way that this Backpage bot poster works is see, Backpage made some changes to make it so that you can't use disposable email addresses to post with. So you definitely have to have a verified account, and I'll show you that in a second. But this new way of posting makes it easier so that you don't get hung up. So what we're going to do is replace everywhere that says Atlanta with an asterisk. It's called a wildcard, and what that means is that when it finishes with Atlanta, since there's an asterisk there, it's going to move on to the next city automatically, and the asterisk will be replaced with the next city. So as you can see, there's Atlanta, 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 and Atlanta. So we're going to hit edit, we're going to go to replace, and where it says find what, you're going to find everywhere that says Atlanta, and I'm going to replace it with an asterisk. Click replace all, and you can close that, and we're going to select this link and put it here where it says posting URL, and I can close that. Don't save it. And for the sake of time, I'm going to create my own short little list. So we're going to go to US cities new. I'm just going to choose a couple of these. I'm going to go to, I'll choose 4, and I'm going to copy those, and I'm going to save that, and I'm just going to open up another notepad file, click paste, and you don't want to have any spaces here, so I'm going to save as demo. And now I have to move it into my Backpage poster file so that everything is where it should be at. Let's see here. And I'll go ahead and paste that. Okay, so we got demo text in there, and you're going to want to spin these titles because you don't want to have duplicate ad titles. With Backpage, you can have the same subject body But as long as the title is spun, you know you're good to go. So I've got Spinner Chief 2, and we're gonna Spinner Chief 2 is excellent. You know, it kind of gives you a lot of spun titles, and it's intuitive. You're not just gonna get some crazy random title. It's gonna actually sound like it makes sense. So I'm gonna put make real money online with this program. Pays daily, earn, let's say 500 a day. 500. Well, we'll just say thousands weekly. And you just hit spin to syntax. And as you can see, it's got all this spun content right here. Make, create, help to make. Help make real money, blah blah blah. I don't like these two, but just for the sake, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is, because this is just a demo. But just know that I would not leave some of these words in here in my actual campaign. But anyway, I'm gonna paste this up here for my title. It's already spun, and for the description, I'm gonna put well, actually what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go to the training center, and I'm gonna go to my ad copy. We've already got our title in, spun. So trying to choose a good one. Okay, we will just choose this one. Well, I don't know. Backpage is kind of funny about bold. So, okay. We're gonna go and we're gonna pick this one. And just post it in where it says description. And for open cities, we're gonna choose file, and we're gonna go to the demo text. And also, you're going to want to open Captcha Sniper, unless you don't mind manually typing in your captchas. Some people don't, but I prefer to have a hands-off experience. Well, what the heck, I'll close this. I'll do it manually just for you guys. And you're gonna go up to tools, and I'm gonna disable Captcha Sniper just for this video. I'm gonna close that. So review. We've got the demo text file in with our city names. You can choose to upload a picture, or you can just do an image ad. I would prefer to just do an image ad by placing HTML in it. If you don't know how to do that, and you don't have time to learn how to do that, then just, you know, choose a picture. It's got to be relevant to your ad though. And we've got our posting URL with the asterisks and, you know, spun title and everything. So, and you just click run. Oh, excuse me. Let me pause that. Got to log into my verified PayPal account. I mean, not PayPal, my verified Backpage account. Because again, disposable emails will not work. Okay, as you can see, all these ads that I have placed using this software. But now that I'm logged in, I'll go ahead and click run, and it's going to go to this, and it's going to go ahead and post the first ad. And I guess that was right. And all done. And it's going to go on to the next ad, post it for you, and then it's going to bring up the next captcha. And let's make sure that's right. I believe that is. It's all done. And the reason that this says failed post is because I canceled the other post before it got finished when I realized that I hadn't logged into my account. Said here. Yeah. And it's all done. And that's it. It's done all the posts. And you know, now I'm going to show a little bit about how to work this with Captcha Sniper. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a different city text. I'm going to leave the same posting URL, and you can actually go to any city and get the posting URL. It doesn't matter what city it's from, because you're going to take the city name and replace it with the asterisk anyway, so it doesn't matter which URL, but you have to make sure you're actually at the page where you can, after you click post ad, where the field is to fill in your ad copy. That is the URL that you want. So I'm going to re-enable Captcha. Well, I'm going to open Captcha Sniper first. Captcha Sniper, where? Oh, it's right there. Whoops. I'm going to open Captcha Sniper. And I'm going to make sure that I have all these checked. Not all these boxes, but just save unknown captchas, let Captcha Sniper try to solve unknown captchas, and save settings on exit. Saving unknown captchas will build the Captcha database, and it will, Captcha Sniper will be able to figure out how to solve those captchas. And if you don't check this, it's just going to keep saying unknown captcha because it hasn't built it into the database yet. So you have to let it try to solve it, and it'll get it right even after a few tries. And you want to make sure that all of these captcha types are checked so that it has the maximum amount that it can try to solve. So we're going to minimize that. We're going to go up to tools, Captcha service accounts, check Captcha Sniper, and you can add other services if you have it. Bypass captcha, decapture, death by captcha, you know. But Captcha Sniper, you don't have to pay per captcha. You just pay $150 for lifetime access to the software, and it does its thing. But for my teammates, you're gonna get that for free. So because I purchased it and gotten other licenses. And let's see, let's make sure. I'm just gonna run one for you, and we're gonna click run. And as you can see, it's posted, and Captcha Sniper is going to fill in the captcha, and it has finished. It's figured it out. So then it's gonna go on to the next city, and it's gonna say duplicate ad if there's a duplicate, because I already posted this one in Auburn. So we're just gonna stop that now, and that's pretty much it. So as you can see, it's a powerful piece of software, two pieces of powerful software that is gonna really drive you a lot of traffic and sales. One thing I do want to say though is that you don't want to abuse Backpage. Run this thing like maybe once a day, maybe even twice, depending on how many cities you're posting to. And don't spam. Make sure you have good quality ads that you're putting up, and everything will be fine. And it just takes consistent work of running this. I wouldn't even call it work, because you can be off taking a nap or doing whatever it is you want to do while this thing is running. But we're talking over $300 worth of software that you guys are going to get to use just from working with me. It's kind of my thank you, and I know what it's like being new to internet marketing and not knowing what to do or how to do it, and having to sit there and pay a bunch of people to try to figure that stuff out. So I don't want you guys to have to go through that. So yeah, you see the software works. You saw my payment proof in the previous video. Come on and dig in. Let's get this money, guys. I'll talk to you guys later.